friends! Welcome back to Aloha Island. Today we're finding opposites. Are you ready? Big and small, fast and slow. Move your body, go, go, go. The island is full of surprises today. Opposites are hiding everywhere. Look at the coconut, it's so big. Look at the flower, it's so small. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Vera is standing super tall. Up and down, spin around. Move your feet across the ground. Opposites here, opposites there. Aloha magic everywhere. Big and small, fast and slow. Clap your hands and go, go, go. Dance to the left, dance to the right. Aloha Island feels so bright. Lumi is running super fast. The turtle is walking very slow. Fast like the wind, watch him go. Slow like the waves down below. The sun is up in the sky. The crab crawls down, down, low nearby. Up, 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 down, down, down. Everybody turn around. Now it's your turn. I say big, you say small. Big. I say fast, you say slow. Fast. I say hot, you say cold. Hot. Wow, you're amazing. The fire is hot, hot, hot. The ice is cold, cold, cold. Vera is happy, dancing around. Lumi was sad, but now he spins around. Many seashells on the sand. Few little coconuts in my hand. Opposites are fun to learn. Come back tomorrow, it's your turn.